Right. So it says that particle circle with center 5, 2 passes through the point 7, 5. Find the equation of the circle. This is the center of a circle, which is basically 5, comma 2. 7, comma 5 must be somewhere over here, right? And now what we're saying is that the radius is what we need to find out, right? Radius would be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root, right? 4 plus 9 is root 13. That's x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to root 13 square is 30. Get it?
Yes.
Okay. Then part B, it says that the line y equals to 5x minus 10 intersects the circle at A and B. Find the exact length of the chord A and B. 5x minus 10 की line है, that will be line intersecting the points A and B. We need to find the coordinates of A and B, right? And then find the length. For coordinates of A and B, let's plug it in. Let's substitute y is equals to 5x minus 10. Solve this equation and this equation simultaneously, right? 5x minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12 whole square equals to 13. That's x square minus 10x plus 25 plus 25x square minus 25 is 62 is 120x plus 144 minus 13 equal to 0. Get it? That's 26x square. Yeah. Minus 10x minus 120x is minus 130x. 25 plus 144 minus 13. What do you get?
156.
Can you take 13 common from all of them? Or can you take 26 common? 156 divided by 130 divided by 26, what do you get?
135.
And 156 divided by 26?
6. X is equals to 3 and x is equals to 2.
Okay. And the y values would be 5 3 is 15 minus 10 is 5. 5 2 is 10 minus 10 is 0. So 3 comma 5 and 2 comma 0, right? So now the length would be basically x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 1 plus 25 is root 26. Get it?
Yes.
All right. So this was a little easier one. Let's talk about this. Says now for these kind of questions, which is like a full-fledged question, which is like probably the last question of your paper as well. It's better to go step by step and make diagrams with clarity in order to understand, in order to visualize what is happening. Okay. So it says equation of the circle with center C is this, right? X square plus y square minus 8x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So find the radius of the circle and the coordinates of C. So we said that let's do the completing square form. X square minus 8x plus 4 square plus y square plus 4y plus 2 square is equals to 5 plus 4 square plus 2 square. Do you agree? Added 4 square and 2 square on the left, so added 4 square and 2 square on the right. Yep. Uh,
Yeah, sir.
x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equals to 25. Right? Center is 4, negative 2. Radius is 5. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's talk about part B. Show that the equation of the tangent to the circle at P is this. Right? Now let's make a hypothetical circle. This is your circle. Center is 4, negative 2. Yeah. And radius is 5. It says show that the equation this at P. What is point P? 1, comma 2. 1, comma 2 would be somewhere over here, isn't it? We need to show that the equation of this tangent is basically given to us as 4y is equals to 3x plus 5, right? Fine. So far, so good. So what I'm going to
Yes.
say is that let's find out the gradient of this. Gradient of center and B, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So gradient of tangent to the circle is P over 4. Get it?
Yeah, sir.
So y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x. Get it? 4y minus
Yes.
8 is equals to 3x minus 3. 4y is equals to 3x. Get it? We've shown that the equation of tangent is this. Then it says, point Q also lies on the circle PQ is parallel to x-axis. Now PQ is parallel to x-axis. Make the diagram start somewhere. This basically means that the coordinates of Q may y coordinate will be 2. Do you agree?
Wait, sir, can you explain this again?
It says PQ is parallel to x-axis, Q lies on the circle. Yeah.
Okay.
This is a horizontal line. That means the y coordinate has to be same. No. This is P 1, comma 2. Then this is Q over
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Got it.
Okay. Then we need to write down the coordinates of Q. Now I know that this x coordinate is 4, right? This should be same because if I make a perpendicular from the center, it's a perpendicular bisector, right? ठीक है? तो ऐसे भी देख लो, the center must be exactly in the middle of P and Q, isn't it? So if the x coordinate of this is 4, this length is 1 till 4 is 3. So this must be 3 as well. Get it?
Yeah, sir.
So 4 plus 3 is 7. Get it?
Yeah, sir. So like whenever the radius is extended to the chord, it divides into two, right?
Exactly. Then it says the tangents to the circle at P and Q. meet at D. So there is another tangent from here, and that tangent meet at T, right? Something like this. This is your T. We have this equation, 4y is equals to 3x plus 5, right? Now, what I know is that this is supposed to be a kite, isn't it? Because if there is a point outside the circle, if I make two tangents from this point, they should make a kite, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If this is a kite, this is horizontal, then this diagonal must be vertical, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I know that the x coordinate of t is supposed to be 4. You get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for part D, what I'm saying is for the coordinates of t, we have the coordinates of t as 4 comma y. Let's plug it in here. 4 times y is equals to 3 times 4 plus 5, 17, 17 over 4. ठीक है? So coordinates of t is 4 comma 17 over 4. Get it?
Yes, sir.
This was a good question. Let's see this one. So this circle with center C has equation this. Show that t, which is minus 6 comma 6, is outside the circle. How would you show that? Center is 8 comma 4, radius is 10, right? Let's make a hypothetical circle here. Center is 8 comma 4. We need to show that t is outside the circle. T is minus 6 comma 6, right? Must be somewhere over here. Okay? We need to show this. If it's outside the circle, then the distance between t and the center should be more than the radius, isn't it?
Yeah.
Part A will say that distance TC should be more than 10. Let's find out. Minus 6 minus 8 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square should be greater than 10, right? Let's check if it is greater than 10. That's root 200, which is greater than 10. Therefore, T lies outside. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Then it says two tangents from the T to the circle are drawn. This way, let's make this. Get it? It says that show that angle between one of the tangents and CT is exactly 45. So one of the tangents and CT is 45. That's what we need to show. Yep. Tangent to radius is 90. Right? We just figured out that this is root 200. Radius is 10. Yep. Can we get this angle? Sine x is equals to 10 over root 200, isn't it? 45 degrees. Fine.
Sir, if you like make your diagram a little of, for example, -66, you draw just like a little lower than the way you did, then will your final answer be wrong?
No, because the length थोड़ी बदल जाएगी, and tangent to radius is always 90. So even
Yeah.
if I make my t here, let's suppose, right? Then basically this angle will be 90, tangent to radius. This is 10, radius. This is root 200. It will still be 45. Yeah.
Okay.
तो एंगल तो हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से निकाल लेना, उसका तो डायग्राम से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है. डायग्राम तो आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग इन ऑर्डर फॉर यू टू विजुअलाइज इट. Get it?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you the
Just
reason in a bit why I've made t over here where I've made. Okay. 45 degrees. So we have shown that. Says two tangents touch the circle at A and B. Find the equation of the line AB. We need to find the equation of this line. Now, what do you think? What should we do? That's why we need to understand that why have they asked you to find out the angle between of the tangents and CT to be 45? There is a reason behind it. And the reason is that if this is 45, then this must be 45. Makes it 90. Right? Makes it 90. Makes it 90. So it's a special kind of a kite, which is basically a square. You get it?
yes.
That's why I made a T where I have made. Because if it's 45 degrees, I predicted that it will become a square. Get it?
Yes.
So in exam, there is a possibility that you'll make T over here or T over here. Then you need to understand it from the property of a quadrilateral. If this angle is supposed to be 90, then ये square ही बनेगा, चाहे दिख रहा हो square या ना दिख रहा हो square. Get it?
Yes.
Understanding? All good so far? So if it's a square, then all you need to do is find the midpoint of CT and the gradient of CT and negative reciprocate it, right? So gradient of CT is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? That's 2 over negative 14 is minus 1 over 7, right? Okay. And then what you need to do is, in order to get the gradient of AB, that would be basically the negative reciprocal, which is 7. Get it?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. And you have to find the midpoint of CT. Midpoint of CT is? Midpoint CT is minus 6 plus 8 divided by 2 and 6 plus 4 divided by 2, right? Which is 2 over 2 is 1 and 5, right? So this point is 1 comma 5. So your equation becomes y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Y minus 5 is equals to 7x minus 7. 7x minus 2. That's the equation of the line. Get it?
Yes.
Okay. So that's your equation of the line in the form this, and then x coordinates of a and b के लिए you do y is equals to 7x minus 2, and you have y is equals to, sorry, x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to 100. Let's substitute. X minus 8 whole square plus 7x minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square is equals to 100. Yeah. X square minus 16x plus 64 plus 49x square minus 7, 6 are 42 times 2 is 84x plus 36 minus 100 equals 0. 50x square minus 100x. 64 plus 36 is 100 minus 100 is 0, right? Tx common, x minus 2 equals to 0. X equals 0. X equals 2. What do we need? We just need the x coordinates, right? So we got it. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's do one more question. So ये पहला part तो छोड़ दो. That's simple solving simultaneous equations. Let's talk about part B. It says the line y equals to 2x plus 5 intersects the circle this at A and B. Fine. It says straight line through the point 10, 0 with gradient m is tangent to the circle. Find the two possible values of m. So straight line passing from 10, 0 gradient m would be y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1, right? Mx minus 10m, right? This is tangent to the circle. So what do? We substitute and do b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Agree? So that's x square plus mx minus 10m whole square equals 20. X square plus m square x square minus 20m square x and एक सेकेंड यहाँ पे mx minus 10 है ना प्लस या m को कॉमन ले लो m square and x minus 10 whole square is equals to 20 m square x square minus 10. ठीक है m times x minus 10 whole square. X square minus 20x plus 100 equals 20. X square plus m square x square minus 20 m square x plus 100 m square minus 20 equals to 0. Get it? M square plus 1 x square minus 20 m square x plus 100 m square minus 20 equals to 0. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So b squared minus 4 a c equals 0. Get it? So ये जाएगा क्या? 400 m power 4 minus 4 into 100 m power 4 minus 20 m square plus 100 m square minus 20 equals 0. Get it? 400 m power 4 minus 400 m power 4 plus, or rather minus 80 m square plus 20 equals 0. 80 m square is 20. M square is 1 over 4. M is opposed to plus minus. Okay, this was an executional chaos. Lot of algebra involved. Get it?
Yes, I understand.
Can I?
Yeah, sir, got it.
Okay. I'm going to do one more question, which was also a good one. From the past papers, I have plugged out all the tough ones and did it here. Okay. Rest of them should be easier. But then you didn't took the last class, I think, जिसमें हमने circle equation के basics किए थे. So just do watch a video out. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Diagram shows a circle with equation this, and the tangent to the circle at the point B is this. This is 5, 4. There's the tangent to the circle at P meets the x-axis at A and the y-axis at B. Find the area of the triangle OAB. पहले तो हम ये पता करते हैं कि इसका सेंटर क्या होगा. Let's do a completing square form. X square minus 6x plus 3 square plus y square plus 4y plus 2 square is equals to 27 minus, plus 3 square plus 2 square. 3 square और 2 square लेफ्ट पे ऐड किया था तो राइट पे भी ऐड कर दिया. क्या फायदा हुआ? This becomes x minus 3 whole square. This becomes y plus 2 whole square is equals to 36 plus 4 is 40. So center आ गया 3 minus 2. Radius is root 40. Agreed? This is your center. तो ग्रेडियंट निकालते हैं सेंटर और पी का. Gradient of PC is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's 6 over 2 is 3. Right? So gradient of AB would be 1 over 3. Get it? Minus 1 over 3, right? Gradient of tangent. Y minus y1 is equals to m. X minus x1. That's the equation of the line AB, right? 3y minus 12 is equals to minus x plus 5. 3y is equals to minus x plus 17. A के coordinates हैं x, 0. If I plug in y as 0, 17, 0 आ जाएगा. Do we agree? Coordinates of B are 0, y. If you plug in x as 0, y would be 17 over 3. Now you need to find the area of the triangle OAB. That's simply half into base into height. Base into height. 17 into 17 is 289 units square. So far, so good.
Yes, sir.
Can I have?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, then it says point Q and R also lie on the circle. Q is over here.
Oh, wait, sir. To calculate the area for OAB,
Hmm.
we could also like find the distance from AB and then like use the height, which is root 40, the radius. No, actually, yeah.
Root 40 is not the height.
Oh, it's OAB. I thought it was also, okay, no.
Hmm. Yep. PQR is equilateral triangle. Find the exact area of the triangle PQR. PQR. Get it? Is an equilateral triangle. Right? So let's do it this way. That if I'm divided into three triangles, three identical triangles like this, what do you say? This must be 30. This must be 30. This must be 120. Radius is root 40. Radius is root 40. So I'll do half AB sine C for 1 and multiply it by 3. What do you say? That's basically 3 times half A B sine C. Got it? Three into half times 40 into root 3 over 2. Yeah. 30 root 3 units square. Fine. Okay, that's about it for circle equations. Stop the video.